So I'm going to unbox Fluke 87V IMSK, which has a 400 amp clamp. So this is the first time I decided to buy multimeter. Before that I was using like a Chinese multimeter, but this is absolutely total new experience. I couldn't find anything like that before, like an unboxing combo multimeter. But as you see, this is the clamp 400 IMAX. I try to take it out. It comes like that. You see it says Fluke i400 AC current clamp. So this is whatever you get, and this is the baby, made in USA. I try to take it out to see what is inside, and wow, papers, like it shows how the multimeter works or something like that. And this is the multimeter. It came up from here. I try to be specified with the brand. As you see, 87V 2 RMS multimeter. It's Fluke. And yeah, everything does look like that. So here we have probe. It's over 100,000 degree Fahrenheit, degree Celsius, and looks like quality stuff for me. And this is the 2 alligator. Probe is outside was cold, so probe is not silicone, so it's PVC. Maybe you want to, this is like a 75, I think TC75 or TL75, but you can buy TC or TL 175 with the silicone. So this one, you see, it's almost in the cold weather, it's not flexible. Outside was very cold. 2 alligator, so they are, I'll see, yeah, it's flexible, not bad. And we have 2 rubber knob. You can put, take it there, closer, go closer. You can put over there to prevent like a dust, anything. And one more thing that I'm trying to look fine, it's here. It says made in USA, assembled in the USA. So it's very cool. I'm going to turn on to see the first start. Wow, it's not bad. Huge, almost to my 2 finger. So the backlight, oh, it's cool. It's 2-stage backlight, so you can't see from here very well, but the best angle is like whenever you look like a forward, and whenever you tail until like it looks like a from 90 degree to 600, maybe the angle view is like a 60 degree. So from here to here, it's best view angle you can get. From the side, that's good. I can see from the side, from side 2. So it's DC, millivolt DC. It says like a temperature. Let us check the temperature quickly here. I'm trying to do not take it hard. Oh, 6.5. It came from outside Celsius. So if I touch the knob, yeah, it reacts, goes up because outside was very cold. Anyway, and continuity, capacity, and this is the resistor, capacity, and yeah, it's like that. Diode section, DC volt. I'm not sure. I need to read before do anything. AC milliamp and also DC milliamp. This is DC milliamp. AC amp, DC amp, AC amp. So it is auto ranged. And this one is microamp. So yeah, DC microamp, AC microamp. The knob is not bad. This is whatever I have. It's almost 2 finger. Yeah, that's cool. And here, you can put your probe here. Not bad. Also, I'm gonna to show you. You just point over there. This is my Harbor Freight multimeter. Like the size. Maybe you can get an idea. What's that? This is Harbor Freight. AC, DC, like a, see? Maybe we can make a comparison like that. See? Oh, you can see the Harbor Freight, but they put a light. Okay. Yeah, it's basic Harbor Freight. Not bad. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, because I had like a suffering time to find right video on the YouTube, so I decided to make a unboxing video. And the only negative thing that I think it has, the backlight here, they put the LED here. I hope they made like a backlight, like a whole display, like a phone. Whenever you turn on, the light comes evenly. But this is whatever it is. Have a good one.